Welcome to our presentation on third-party developers and tool development for community management on the live streaming platform Twitch. My name is SIGCHI, and I am excited to share our recent work on live streaming and community management. The proliferation of user-generated content and the increase in content creators have escalated the challenges of user and content management on platforms. Many platforms provide technical support to empower stakeholders to perform most of the management tasks. At the same time, many platforms offer open access application programming interfaces, APIs, for third-party developers, TPDs, to develop tools to help manage their communities, creating a diverse and thriving market of third-party tools. Twitch, as a leading live streaming platform, offers an interactive and multimodal environment, fostering a live streaming industry that has evolved with novel technologies. It also relies on TPDs to create tools that address specific community management needs. TPDs develop tools, including bots and extensions, addressing the needs of Twitch communities for effective channel and viewership management. Here are some popular TPD-developed bots for Twitch. Twitch has an extension store with thousands of extensions developed by TPDs. The extension categories include streamer tools, loyalty and recognition, viewer engagement, etc. While HCI research has extensively explored the end user's interactions with these tools, the architects behind the scenes, TPDs, have received comparatively little attention. This oversight marks a significant research gap, as TPDs play important roles in innovating and providing tailored solutions that enhance community engagement and management on platforms like Twitch. By shifting our focus to understand TPDs' challenges, practices, and the ecosystem they operate within, we can open new avenues in HCI research that foster more inclusive, effective, and nuanced community management strategies. In this study, we ask, what are the practices of TPDs regarding tool development for live streaming community management? Since Twitch and Discord are closely connected, many TPDs for these two platforms have formed communities on Discord, called the Twitch Dev Server. The community has thousands of TPDs to share their experiences. It has more than 2,000 active members daily, including Twitch official staff, TPDs, broadcasters, and viewers. It includes many categories and channels. Usually, the lobby is the primary channel where everyone sends their first messages, asks questions, and socializes. Our research journey began with an extensive collection and pre-processing of Discord chat entries, focusing on the rich conversations among TPDs. We collected about 45,000 chat messages from the largest channel in this Twitch developer server. Then, we ran topic modeling to identify the bot-related topics. Finally, we focused on topics 4 and 6. We undertook an exhaustive analysis of 2,179 comments related to extension and bot, employing a hybrid of inductive and deductive coding to extract themes. We want to highlight two key findings. First, the co-creation process between TPDs and tool users fosters a collaborative ecosystem for developing Twitch community management tools. Second, Twitch's technical updates and multi-layered policies introduce challenges for TPDs, from adaptation efforts to innovation constraints. TPDs and streamers collaborate closely, sharing a mutual goal of enhancing the streaming experience. Streamers mainly ask for advice or suggestions about extension developments that could fulfill the needs of their streaming. Examples include streamers wanting to develop unique stream editing tools or extensions for viewer interaction. TPDs shared various kinds of extension design ideas on the Discord server. For example, TPDs brainstorm and share solutions to common problems like combating spam and enhancing viewer interaction, showcasing a vibrant ecosystem of collaboration. Twitch's technical updates introduce unpredictability, complicating TPDs' development schedules and project timelines. Some TPDs unfamiliar with the review process asked many questions about the update uncertainty. Sometimes the review time was so long with no feedback. TPDs face challenges in keeping tools compatible with Twitch's frequent updates. They have to spend significant time and effort on understanding and implementing changes required by new Twitch API versions. They might be confused and have difficulties adapting to the changes. TPDs work within a complex policy environment at multiple levels, affecting their development freedom and innovation capacity. The user data privacy and policy make their development challenging. TPDs need to access data for their apps to function properly while being careful about Twitch's data privacy policy and copyright law. If bots store unpermitted content, Twitch can ban them. TPDs are confused about the policy and might understand them wrong and violate the policy. To design Twitch extensions and bots, TPDs must be familiar with complicated Twitch services and understand how to interact with them. TPDs question the extension development involving compatibility, dependency, and adaptation on other platforms, such as extensions for the various browsers and mobile systems. The compatibility of developing tools was also a concern, as it can be the source of errors. To develop a Twitch extension, TPDs had to use multiple tools. Twitch's vague and inconsistent policies and regulations also motivate TPDs to initiate changes regarding tool development, with the collaboration with other stakeholders, e.g. streamers, to improve their voice and power to negotiate with Twitch. In this study, we explored the symbiotic relationship between TPDs and the Twitch community, underlining the co-creation that drives innovation within this space, and highlighting the challenges. Frequent Twitch updates and complex policy landscapes often hinder TPDs' ability to innovate freely. This brings to light the critical need for a balanced approach to policy enforcement, one that ensures the platform's integrity while empowering developers. From an HCI research perspective, this study shines a spotlight on TPDs, urging us to broaden our focus to include these crucial intermediaries. Their unique position offers invaluable insights into community management tool development, presenting opportunities for future research to explore governance mechanisms that nurture TPDs' creativity and innovation. Design implications from our findings call for a more integrated collaboration between Twitch, TPDs, and professional developers. By streamlining the development process with unified toolkits and clear policy documentation, we can pave the way for a more vibrant and innovative Twitch ecosystem. This not only enhances the platform's usability and engagement, but also contributes significantly to the field of HCI, enriching our understanding of online community management through the lens of third-party development. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, I'm happy to connect and discuss.